In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use and assign tasks directly from your notes inside Monday.com Docs. If you're someone who takes meeting notes, brainstorms ideas, or plans projects inside a Monday doc, this feature is a complete game changer. Instead of copying and pasting tasks into a board manually, you can instantly turn any line of text into a real, trackable task. By the end of this video, you'll know the fastest way to convert notes into actionable items and keep your workflow organized. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Monday.com productivity tips. Let's get started. First, open your Monday.com workspace and navigate to the doc where you've written your notes. This could be a meeting summary, a project outline, or even a brainstorming document. Inside your Monday doc, locate the text that represents a task. For example, you might have written something like email client for approval or design homepage mockup. Now here's where the magic happens. Click and drag your cursor to highlight the exact text that you want to turn into a task. As soon as you highlight it, a small formatting toolbar will appear right above the selected text. In that toolbar, look for the option called Turn into Item. In some workspaces, this may also appear as Add to Board. Go ahead and click on that option. Once you click it, Monday.com will prompt you to choose the board where you want this task to live. This is important because your doc can be connected to multiple boards across your workspace. Select the correct board from the drop-down list. For example, you might choose your marketing board, project management board, or client work board. After selecting the board, you'll be asked to choose the group inside that board. Groups are the sections within a board, such as To Do, In Progress, or Completed. Pick the group where this new task should be created. If it's a brand new task that hasn't been started yet, you'll typically select the To Do group. As soon as you confirm your selection, Monday.com instantly creates a new item on that board. The title of the item will be exactly the same as the text you highlighted in your doc. That means there's no retyping, no copying and pasting, and no switching back and forth between views. It's automatically linked and ready to be managed. Now that the item exists on your board, you can assign it just like any other task. Head over to the board you selected, find the newly created item, and use the People column to assign it to yourself or a team member. You can also add a due date, set a status, attach files, or add sub-items if needed. From a simple line in your notes, you now have a fully trackable task integrated into your workflow. One of the biggest advantages of using the Turn into Item feature is that it keeps your brainstorming and execution tightly connected. During meetings, you can take notes naturally without worrying about formatting everything perfectly. Then afterwards, simply highlight the action points and convert them into tasks in seconds. This dramatically reduces the chance of forgetting action items and keeps everyone aligned. You can repeat this process as many times as needed within the same doc. Just highlight another line, click Turn into Item, choose your board and group, and you're done. It's quick, clean, and incredibly efficient. And that's how you use and assign tasks directly from notes in Monday.com Docs. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Monday.com guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.